Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the ultimate kitchen organization solution with the storage bag organizer, a versatile foil and plastic wrap organizer complete with a cutter, perfect for all your kitchen storage needs. Crafted from 100% natural bamboo, this organizer is not only durable and water resistant but also features a sleek design with dimensions that fit most drawers, so make sure to check your drawer size before purchasing. With its innovative 3-layer front-side construction, you can say goodbye to cracks, as it's reinforced to be half an inch thick, ensuring long-lasting use. The large size accommodates rolls of plastic wrap, foil, and paper up to 12.5 inches wide, with a cleverly positioned cutter for easy access, while the sliding lid with magnets offers seamless access to roll materials up to 2 3/8 inches in diameter. This 9-in-1 kitchen organizer boasts 5 compartments for storing various bag sizes, 3 compartments with cutters for your wrapping needs, and an additional compartment for small items like clips and clothespins. You can use the 3 separate connecting elements together or individually, thanks to the included screws, making it easy to hang on the wall or store in a drawer or pantry. Elevate your kitchen organization game with this all-in-one solution, combining functionality and style in one compact package. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.